This video is a quick walkthrough of how to install one of our sun strips. These are made from a thick bubble release vinyl, so we recommend not using water as it can collect in the air channels of the vinyl and cause issues with the glue sticking to the glass. Ideally you want to choose a warm day to install vinyl, but it doesn't look like we're going to get one of those anytime soon here in England, so these freezing conditions will have to do for today. This install is a lot easier if you have access to a heat gun, but on this particular day we didn't have one to hand, so just keep in mind that it is easier if you do have one when fitting yours. You're also going to need glass cleaner, a measuring tape of some kind, as well as masking tape and a cutting blade. You're going to want to start this install by cleaning your window screen to stop any bugs or dirt from showing up under the sun strip itself, as well as clearing away any oils that may cause the sun strip to not adhere properly to the screen. Once everything is clean, you want to measure the sun strip itself and then half that to find the center point of the sun strip. You can mark this with a pencil if you want to make it easier to find. The next step is to find the center point of the screen itself. Again, measure the screen and half to find the center point. Luckily the aerial on this Metro was an easier guide as to where the center of the screen would be, so we didn't bother measuring it, we just used this as our guide. Once you've got everything lined up in the middle, you just need to take 2 more measurements to make sure nothing is sitting uneven. Take 1 measurement down from the left side and 1 measurement down from the right side to make sure that your sun strip is sitting even. Once you're happy with all your measurements and their position, you want to take a piece of masking tape and fix the center of your sun strip down to the window screen. The next step is to pull away the vinyl itself from its backing paper to the center point of the masking tape. Now one side of the vinyl has been lifted, you can throw away that side of the backing paper. You can just use scissors to cut it or pull it away with your hands. Once you start to lower the sun strip, make sure you are keeping it quite tight. You don't want any slack in the vinyl. This next part is where the heat gun comes in handy. You can use the heat to form the vinyl over the rubbers of the screen, but sadly we didn't have one to hand, so we ended up using a credit card to push the vinyl into the crease of the rubber. Once your first side is stuck, you can start to remove any masking tape and repeat the same process on the opposite side. Once the whole thing is stuck down, you want to take your blade and start to remove any excess vinyl from around the rubber. Once you've removed most of the excess vinyl, you can start to cut away the rest of the vinyl using the corner of the window rubber as a guide. Now your sun strip is cut to the shape of the window rubber. It's literally just a case of going around and cutting off any excess bits you don't want. Hopefully this video helped some of you out. If you are interested in buying a sun strip, these 5 designs are available on the website and we do ship worldwide. There's also more videos on the channel on things like cars from the 80s and 90s, and thank you for watching.